County, Union County, Indiana, northeastern Fayette County, Indiana, until 8 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Connorsville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations in
It's been a while.
Waterloo, Bunker Hill, Abington, Brownsville, Boston, Richmond Municipal Airport, Witt Station, Dunlapsville, Alquina, Whitewater State Park, Goodwin's Corner, Metalfield, Cottage Grove, Clifton, and Kitchell. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 155 and 156. I-70 in Ohio near mile marker 0.